In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive video is still processing. If you're stuck on that frustrating still processing screen, don't worry. Your video is already uploaded to Drive. The preview player is what's lagging. I'll walk you through a few reliable ways to access your video right now without adding any extra steps. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Drive. Any modern browser works here. Searching is a quick way to land on the right page even if you don't remember the exact address, and it helps avoid mistyping the URL. From the results page, choose the official Drive link. You're looking for drive.google.com. Make sure you click the genuine listing, not an ad or a lookalike. You should see a secure connection indicator in your browser, confirming you're on the real site. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and log into the Google account that owns or has access to the video. If you use multiple accounts, double-check you're in the right one so the file actually appears in your Drive. Once you're in, open the folder where your video lives. Now, the most dependable fix is to download the video to your device. Right-click the video file in Google Drive and choose Download. Pick a location on your computer or confirm the default folder. Even if Drive's preview says it's still processing, the file itself is complete, and it will play perfectly in your computer's or phone's native video player. If it's a large file, give the download a little time and keep the browser tab open until it finishes. If you prefer to stream it without waiting for a full download, use a connected app. Double-click the file to open the preview page. Even if it looks like a dead preview, then click the Open with menu at the top and select Video Player for Google Drive. When prompted, grant the necessary permissions. This routes playback through the connected app and bypasses Google's built-in player, letting you watch immediately. Another handy workaround is to generate a direct link. Right-click the file, click Share, then select Copy Link. Open a new incognito or private browsing window, paste that link into the address bar, and on the page that loads, click the Download button. This forces a direct fetch of the file without relying on the preview player, and it's useful for confirming exactly what a fresh viewer would experience. That's it. Use whichever method fits your situation, downloading the connected app or a direct link, and you'll get past the processing screen and into your video right away.